Welcome to Top Cars TV. The 2025 Nissan Armada arrives with a renewed sense of confidence and purpose, stepping into the spotlight as a fully reimagined full-size SUV built for families, adventurers, and power-hungry drivers alike. Up front, the bumper sets the tone: a bold, muscular, and fully integrated into the refreshed fascia. It delivers both aesthetic presence and rugged functionality. Not merely cosmetic, the front end hints at the robust capabilities lurking beneath the sheet metal. Slide inside, and the Armada embraces modern luxury with a dash of tech-savvy flair. A dual monolith display stretches across the dash, offering more than 28 inches of combined screen space that puts navigation, media, and vehicle data right in your line of sight. A Google Maps, Assistant, and Play are built right in. Leather-appointed zero-gravity seats with available massaging and climate control, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof elevate the cocoon feel. Rear seats don't skimp on comfort either. A second-row captain's chairs with heated cushions and USB-C port, third-row power recline and decent legroom, and even biometric cooling available for backseat passengers ensure everyone stays refreshed on long drives. When you pivot to the back, the 2025 Armada doesn't disappoint. Its tail end is clean and purposeful, a simple yet bold bumper styling and a liftgate that opens to reveal generous cargo space. Fold down the third row and you're greeted with roughly 56.3 cubic feet. And collapse both rear rows to unlock an expansive roughly 97.1 cubic feet, ideal for weekend adventures or large family haul-outs. Under the hood sits a potent new 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6, delivering 425 horsepower and 516 pounds-to-feet of torque, paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. It's the most powerful Armada yet and underscores a dramatic shift from the previous V8 approach. Towing is a breezy up to 8,500 pounds with available electronic locking rear differential, trailer sway control, advanced air suspension, and even hill descent control to help navigate rough terrain. The off-road-ready Pro-4X trim includes 4-wheel drive, all-terrain tires, a locking differential, skid plates, and drives modes to take on serious trails in style. Pricing comes in at a competitive edge for its class. The base MSRP begins near $57,520 and goes up to around $79,990 depending on trim. Before freight, the Pro-4X with premium package tips the scale around $80,445 with options. Base SV starts just under $60,000, with the S Ultra often cited as the sweet spot, offering heated front seats, premium audio, power folding third row and power liftgate for a strong value proposition. 4-wheel drive is optional for most trims but comes standard on Pro-4X. The 2025 Armada officially launched in late 2024 with sales starting in December, rolling out across dealerships shortly after. Nissan's bold redesign transforms the Armada from a capable family hauler into a true modern SUV contender, balancing power, comfort, and styling with surprising pricing. With its aggressive bumper, refined interior, spacious rear, and advanced engine and off-road chops, the Armada stakes its claim as one of the most compelling full-size SUVs of its generation, especially for those seeking a blend of luxury, muscle, and practicality.